Choran lo epolo kiniti e bank lo Uganda, Dr. Jacob Opolot ne sabo Elip, iteso achakare inono lo Aingadit Isirigin Otogoi kech.
Ngada ja pilot, one to another interest. Two, everiko kanyama. Aparasha do akere, abokinetu ikapunu kwape. Kwa kiboki ikapunu kanyama. Otogoi de nyamaraki. Ikokolak ipota konai, akokwar. Konyeka kwa na igwetu kadi beki ikapto mobile money, idaras kon Isirigin.
Neras nanesi ne peka Itunga luoteso kanui kamunto seya itene lokae banka lo apuron lo Uganda neda bunga silipia Itunga achoikena kideri ongeta lu olago lu ijodo Itunga makaya womu neseya itawa ingon lo etache lo Isirigin kotomo lago ko Bank of Uganda.
Kwenye loto esimu mangu pig amwajeni company simu and on be cut banks. Yeah, we have 26 banks jenasi jenatasu credit institutions that also on jenatasi kirura. Now again na lomo na mobile money again karo lukuniare kadikanya abu Bank of Uganda so watu ngayana kisil anwa anyu ne polito sare akirura mobile money kwa lo mti company si chelu ngalete
Agirigira na polo na e bank Susan Kahembwa ne sabu kolimo agangat ne eja yadex na umaguru kokata kwi district ne debitradu kokine idoto rangor.
And we are going to do a new outpatient department for that health center 3 and also renovating the maternity block. We are also going to donate medical equipment and supplies. In that area we shall also support them with providing seedlings for trees. We don't decide on which health center to support. It's the Ministry of Health that identifies a health center that has a larger catchment area.
RCC Soroti Peter Pex Park sabu Elip Itunga luote so achaka rajaut nepeka peta ina ipol nada ikopa kopa toy.
The challenge I have observed with our people, even with these small loans like from Itunga, we have the highest appetite for loans, but the repayments becomes a problem. Because what we observe is people divert these loans from the intended purpose. Repaying it becomes a problem.
Eya itenelo Aingadis kana polon kana neseja ineteso kanwa domun aimonyo na Itunga kotupitenwe swama elo e banka kalo kada ibore koto siteso itojo kara ikotomo ya itenelo I banks.
Now ask the farmers, you know TESO is what? The region for farmers.
Summarize.
Why don't you
summarize
give the farmers of TESO their bank so that we go directly?
Oh, because the bank my bank am kori, joy kori. So ibore polo no ibe. Iperenga dumunu Isirigin to wakor, agriculture, otiale jok. So ikoto je bore ke grace period.
We would like Bank of Uganda to support a non-formal training program to build the capacity of the business people here, both in businesses and agriculture, so that they can get the mindset, the tool set and the skill set to be able to borrow this money. This program can be baptized as Enterprise and Agricultural Value Chain Development Training Program.
Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Soroti.